Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so here I am in the Hong Kong harbor right here. So all the people are commuting to work. So, and I got a little thing to tell you guys. So today I'm in Hong Kong. I just came over from Macau. And basically what I'm doing is I went to go get a visa for Cuba. So I'm going to be spending one day. I got about a 3-week trip planned. So I'm a bit distracted at the moment. I have a lot of people coming to look at me. So. Anyways, okay. So basically I'm going to be going to about 5 or 6 countries in a 3-week period. So the first trip is going to be Beijing, just for a long layover. I think it's like 8 or 10 hours, something like that, all day. And then I fly into Los Angeles, where I go to through Panama to Cuba. So I'll also get maybe 12 or 15 hours in Panama City. So I scheduled it so I can just hang out all daytime on a connecting flight. Beijing's a connecting flight too. And then I'm going to go to Havana. I'll be in Havana for about 5 days. And then I'm going to fly down to Bogota, Colombia. So Colombia is going to be Bogota in Cartagena. I'll be there for almost a week. And then after Colombia, I'm going to go to Costa Rica, and I'll just have a couple days there. And then I'll go up to Mexico City. And Mexico City, I think, is 3 nights, 4 nights. And then I fly up to Los Angeles, and I just got like 1 full day in Los Angeles, and then I go back to Macau. So basically, I have a pretty big trip lined up, and you're going to see all of it with the camera.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da polvilhinha.